Children, I welcome you all to our English class. Today we are going to see lesson number 3, Look Before You Leap, part 3. Let's start today's session. We have already seen the pep activity. This is just a recap. He plays tennis every day, which is the action word in this picture. Plays is the action word. So like that we have underlined the words. Second sentence, Amita walks to school. Here walks is the action word. She sings beautifully, which is the action word. Sings is the action word. Okay. Next one, nightingale. Nightingale is a bird which sings. So the action is nightingale sings. In this, sings is the routine action. So we have added yes with the action word. Next one, rabbit jumps. So in jumps, the yes is the letter which indicates it is a routine action. Regularly, daily it happens. Monkey eats banana. In this sentence, eats is the action word which ends with yes. If an action word ends with yes, it indicates that it is a regular action. Okay, daily it happens. Okay, now we are going to see the how we form the ongoing action. Okay, play plus ing is playing, talk plus ing talking. These are all examples. Okay, I am writing, my partner is looking. These are all the example words I have given yesterday. So climb plus ing is climbing, wash plus ing washing. These are all the example verbs of ongoing action. Always ongoing action word ends with the ing. Here also see wash plus ing, washing ing. Now next activity is the look deep activity. In this activity, the lion is dash. The action word is given in the bracket. So we have added ing to that. The animals are speaking. The lion is roaring. These are all the example sentences. And we have seen the important topic in the tip box also. We can also ask questions using am, is and are plus ing. So if we are asking questions using am, is, are means we have to add ing to the action word. So the answer will be yes or no. These are all the examples. Am I learning? So the answer is yes, I am learning. Are you listening? Yes, I am listening. Is she singing? No, he is dancing. Is she sleeping? Yes, she is sleeping. These are all the examples of yes or no type questions. Okay, using am, is and are plus ing. Next, this is the format of ongoing action. For example, I have given here am, is, are. So these three are the verbs. With these three verbs, am and is are the singular verbs. Okay, we use these am and is with singular nouns, but are is used with both the singular and plural noun. For example, you is a used as singular as well as plural. So you are verb plus ing. Okay, so are is used with the singular as well as plural. They are verb plus ing. They are eating, like that. Okay, here I am taking the action word eat, e a t, eat plus ing. So I n g, ing. So here eating, am eating, is eating, are eating. For example, I am eating, he is eating, she is eating, they are eating. These are all the example sentences. When, so ongoing action indicates which time. Ongoing action indicates now. What action is happening now, that is the ongoing action. So at the moment, right now, what action are you doing? You are listening. This is the ongoing action. Okay, now look at this activity, companion 3b activity. First of all, let's read the activity. Ongoing actions, grammar. Draw lines to match the people. Draw lines to match the people with the actions they do. Write the ing form of the action words in the blanks. First of all, we have to draw lines to match the people with the action. After that, we have to write the ing form, that is ongoing action word, for the given verbs. Okay, now sweep, house help, security guard, and singer and student. Four people has been given, so we have to match their actions they do. House help, what action will she do? She will sweep, then she will clean. These are the two actions she do. So sweep plus ing, sweeping. Clean plus ing, cleaning. Before adding this ing, we have to remove the s from the action word, sweep and clean. Okay, we have to remove the s. Now here, next one, protect, guard. Who will protect and guard? The security guard will protect. The security guard will guard us. Okay, he will also help us. Am I right? So house help also help us. We can join both also, no issues. Okay, protect plus ing, protecting. Guard plus ing, guarding. Help plus ing, helping. Keep it in mind, children, we should remove the s first, then only we should add ing. That is the rule of ongoing action. Okay, whenever we add ed or ing with the action word, we have to add it with the original form of the action word only. Okay, next one, singer. What is the action of singer? Sing. So sing plus ing, singing. Student, read and learn. So read plus ing, reading. Learn plus ing, learning. These are all the examples given in the third 3b activity. You have to fill all these blanks. Okay, yes. Next activity, 3c. Identify the action words from the picture. First of all, we have to identify the action words from the picture. Then we have to fill in the blanks with the correct ing form of the words. We have to fill the dash. You can write either words or sentences, that is your wish. Okay, we want ing form of the action word, that's it. So I have given here you one example. She is learning. She is a girl, so I have written she. So she is learning. She is learning. You can write reading also. Both are correct. Okay. Next one. What is she doing? She is laughing. Okay, laughing. Next one. He is sleeping. He is a boy sleeping. Look at the next picture. What is she doing? She is eating. What is he doing? He is playing guitar. What are they doing? They are talking. If you see, compare the page number 28, all the sentences, with the first sentence in page number 29. This sentence, you can find the difference. What is the difference? Yes, here we have added is in all the sentence, but here we have written are. Why? Because two people, here one person, here one person, totally two people, so we have added are. They are, verb plus ing. Here talk is the verb, talk plus ing. Next one, here only one girl is there, so she is drinking. One boy, he is climbing. Here also only one boy, he is crying. He is shouting or screaming. All these are the examples of ongoing actions, because we have the format am, is, or any one of the verb plus ing. So is, learn is a verb plus ing. So ongoing action. I hope you all understood this activity, children. Let's move to the next one. Now this activity 3D. Look at the instruction, then we do the activity. Fill in the blanks with the ing form of the words given in the brackets. So first of all, we have to fill the dash with the ing form of the action words given in the bracket. Use am, is, are. What are the verbs we have to use? Am, is, are. 3 verbs we have to use. Okay, 3 verbs, am, is and are. Okay, children. Now these are the verbs we have to use. One is done for you. Look at the first sentence. They are drinking. How many people are there? Here one person and here one person. People are there. So they are drinking juice. This is one example. Drink is the action word. We have added ing. Are. Why are? Because plural. Two people. So plural sentence, so we have added are verb plus ing. Next one, how many person is here? Only one person, so she is carrying. Carry is the action word given here. We have written carrying. Jump is the action word for this picture. We have to write jumping. Here I have given am. Why means she is talking about herself. I comes. I is a pronoun which follows am, okay, which comes before am is only used with I am jumping. This is the rule, children. Next one, Balu and Suresh dash play table tennis. Balu is one person, Suresh is one person. Two people are there, so Balu and Suresh are playing. This is a plural sentence. And then it is raining. It is a singular sentence. They are walking. Two people. One, two people are there, so are walking. The cat climb. The cat is climbing. Next, Emmy is reading a book. Next activity, children. 3E activity. Look at the picture. What are these children doing? Write sentences with action words in the ing form. Use the given clues. So first of all, we have to look at the picture, observe the children, what action are they doing. Then we have to write in a sentence. After while writing the sentence, we have to add ing to the action words, and we have to use am, is, are appropriately. Okay, we have to use the picture clues for the name of the person. Joe, Ram, Ricky, Seema, Rohan, Rita are the people present here. Okay, now first sentence, first clue is Rohan. Rohan jump. How can we write in a sentence? Rohan is, how many Rohan is here? Only one Rohan. So one person means Rohan is jumping. Rita eat. Rita is eating. Rita is eating. Only one Rita. Ricky play. So Ricky is playing. Next one, Seema sing. Seema is singing. Where is Seema? Here it is. Seema is singing. She is, only one Seema is there, so Seema is singing. Last sentence, Joe and Ram kick. So Joe, Ram, how many people are there? Two people. One, two people are there. Not only two people, children, more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 500,000, what number it may be. If the number of people is more than 1, if the number of object we are talking about is more than 1, means it is plural. So we have to add are. Joe and Ram are kicking the ball. You can write as the ball also, no issues. So Joe and Ram are kicking. Okay, these are all the example sentences. Kindly make a note of it. I hope you all understood this activity. Next, we are going to do the think and ink activity. In this activity, you have to work in pair. You can work with your parents or your siblings. Work in pair. Close your eyes for a few seconds. This activity is very interesting, children. If you do this, you will surely enjoy. Close your eyes for a few seconds. Think of one activity. You have to close your eyes and think of one activity which you love to do, which is your favorite activity. You can think about it, or else which is the activity you do, which is the actions you do currently. Which action are you doing? That also you can think. Okay, whisper this to your partner. If your partner is your parent or your sibling, you have to tell that action which comes in your mind to your partner. Take turns to share. First you have to say, then your partner has to say. Like same way you have to share the actions which comes in your mind. Ask each other questions to find out more about this activity. So they will tell which action comes to their mind. Then you have to ask question Okay, question and then answer. You have to get the answer from your partner and write in the dash. They have given three dashes. One dash is for writing the question, remaining two dash is for writing your answer. Okay, for example, they have given one example. Listen carefully. You tell your friend that reading is your favorite activity. For example, you are saying reading is my favorite activity. Your friend will say, what are you reading now? Close your eyes, imagine one action, say that action to your friend. For example, I am reading a book on cats. This is one example. So he will ask you the question, what are you reading now? The answer is, I am reading a book on cats. That is the answer. Okay. Yes, your partner name you have to write. For example, I have written Sonu. My question, we have to write 3 questions, children. I have given only one question here. Remaining you have to fill. What are you doing now? I am asking the Sonu is my partner. I am asking Sonu, what are you doing now? He is saying, I am drawing a car. He like to draw. That is his favorite action. I have asked Sonu. He says, I like to draw. So I am asking him, what are you doing now? So he will say, I am drawing a car. He likes drawing, but right now he is drawing a car only. Okay, this is his ongoing action. I hope you all understood, children. Yes, next move to the next activity. Think back. Think back activity. Recall how we talk about actions that are happening now. Fill in the blanks. Frame a sentence to talk about one action that is happening now. Okay, first of all, we have to talk about the actions. Here we are seeing only 2 kinds of action. One is actions we do regularly. Another action is we are doing now. These are the 2 kinds of activity as if now we are seeing. So we do regularly means that is called routine action. What action? It is routine action. If it is a routine action, already I told you, we will add yes to the action word. But if we are writing with I or they, we should not add yes. Okay, I, you, they. If we use these pronouns means we should not add yes to the action word. Even though if it is a routine action, we have to write only the action word. Look at the first example. I play in the evening. Here I comes, so we didn't add yes to the action word. But here he plays the piano. In this sentence, we have added yes to the action word because he is the pronoun. Based on the pronoun, we add the yes or yes. Okay, he plays the piano. So here add and yes to the action word when we use it with he, she, it. When will we add yes to the action word? If we are using that with he, she and it. And it also should be the routine action. If it is a routine action, we will add yes. Okay, let's move to the actions we are doing now. Called the ongoing actions. Yes, I hope you are all clear. So now let's do this activity. Salim dash cooking. Salim is a singular person or plural person? Singular person. So what should we write? Yes, Salim is cooking. Reba and Anu dash packing. Reba is one person, Anu is one person. Totally 2 people. So which verb we should write? Yes, A-R-E-R. I dash waiting. Whenever I comes in present tense, which verb should we use? Very good. We use the verb am. So I am writing. Next 2 dashes are there. In that dashes, you have to write your own sentence. I'll give you one example now. He is singing. So he is singing means it is an ongoing action. Am I right? Same way you can write they are dancing. She is talking. Like that you can write your own sentence. So let's move to the next part. ongoing action. Another name of ongoing action is what? Present continuous tense. This tense has two words. Number one, verb plus ing. Okay, verb plus ing we will be writing. I, verb, be form of verb is am, is, are. So am, is, are. Either am or is or are. We'll be writing any one of the verb before the main verb, that is draw, sleep, watch. These are all the main verbs. So here, shall we read the examples? Yes, I am drawing a picture. So be form of verb, main verb plus ing. Here I have given no. So main verb plus ing. He is main verb plus ing in the room. Main verb is what? Sleep. So he is sleeping in the room. She is sleeping in the room. It is sleeping in the room. Next one, you. You are watching a film. We are watching a film. They are watching a film. In these pronouns, all these are subjects. So in these pronouns, these are all singular. I, he, she, it. All these are singular. You, we can consider this as both singular as well as plural. Okay. So we and they are compulsorily, it indicates only plural. Okay. So I, he, she, it, you are all singular pronouns, and you, we, they are plural pronouns. Keep it in mind, children. I hope you all understood. So kindly do all the activities as I did. Complete your companion as well as your studio activities. Thank you for listening. Let's meet in the next session.